Hi everyone, for today's lesson we'll be learning about ratio. Let's take a look at our question. John and Peter share some money in the ratio 2 to 5. If Peter gives John $60, both of them will have the same amount of money. How much money do they have altogether? We will begin by writing down the ratio of the amount of money that John and Peter have. So here we have the ratio for, at first, the ratio of the amount of money John has to the amount of money Peter has is 2 to 5. And here we have the ratio for after. If Peter gives John $60, both of them will have the same amount of money. And when two people have the same amount of money, the ratio will be 1 to 1. The sum of John and Peter's money does not change. Therefore, we shall make the total number of units the same in the at first ratio and the after ratio. Here we see that the sum of units is 2 plus 5, which gives us 7. And here we see that the sum of units is 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. In order to make the total number of units the same for both ratios, we will find a lowest common multiple and multiply. The lowest common multiple of 7 and 2 is 14. For this ratio, the total number of units is 7. 7 needs to be multiplied by 2 to make 14, and so we will multiply the units in this ratio by 2. Here we have 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. And here we have 5. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Here, the total number of units is 2. 2 needs to be multiplied by 7 to make 14. And so we will multiply the units in this ratio by 7. Here we have 1. 1 times 7 is 7. And here we also have 1, and 1 times 7 is 7. At this point, we will check the total number of units. Here, the total number of units is 4 plus 10, which gives us 14. And here, the total number of units is 7 plus 7, which gives us 14. So now we have the total number of units as 14 for the at first ratio and the after ratio. This is because if Peter were to give John some money, the sum of money that the both of them have will still be the same, and therefore the total number of units will also remain the same. Over here we can see that Peter has 10 units. If he gives John $60, what he has left is 7 units. So what we can do here is take 10 units minus 7 units, and this will give us 3 units. So these 3 units represent 60. To find the value of 1 unit, we will take 60 divided by 3, and this will give us 20. The question asks, how much money do they have altogether? To find the amount of money that they have altogether, what we will do is take 4 units representing the amount of money that John has, and we'll add 10 units representing the amount of money that Peter has. 4 units plus 10 units will give us 14 units. And to find the value of 14 units, we will take 14 and multiply 20, which we have found to be the value of 1 unit. 14 times 20 will give us 280. And here we have found our answer. They have $280 altogether.